afternoon. I am from class 7 from Saraswati Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School. Today we make a little project. This is a security alarm. If anyone or anything pass through it, it will start ringing. Like we can use it in our homes or buildings for call the help. If anyone if anyone
Yes.
if anyone pass through this will start ringing. This draw attention to an emergency situation or to scare off the attacker.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Saraswati Patel. I study in class 8th. I study Saraswati Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School, Keshavnagar Damoh.
My name is Abhiyan of class 7.
We can use the security alarm like many purpose like mall, railway station, airport and many places.
We can also use in a home, and we can also use as a metal detector for security purpose.
Okay.